Hi guys, welcome back. Today's recipe is a delicious fresh delight. It's cheese chili veg canapés and it is a hit party appetizer. In a bowl, cut off corn kernels off the cob. Add capsicum, onions, salt, black pepper, red chili flakes, olive oil and mix well. I'm using sugar-free crackers. You can use any cracker of your choice. Apply cheese chili spread on all the crackers and put filling on each one of them. Serve this dish at your parties and enjoy a lot of compliments. Signing off now. See you in the next video. Let's meal.